OABC is a parallelogram. O to A is the vector A, O to C is the vector C. X is the midpoint of the line AC, and OCD is a straight line, so that O to C, the CD is K to 1. I've marked on all of the bits and pieces onto the diagram here and included the X to D line and the line which extends OCD. The first thing I'd like to do here is take a look at this ratio right here. We're told that O to C, C to D is K to 1. Well, I know that the O to C is the vector C. So what I'd like to do is I'd like to have this as the 1. So I'm going to divide both sides here by K. So I get 1 and then 1 over K. Let me then just update that. That will give me 1, which means this is now the vector C, and this is going to be 1 over K, C. Now that I have that, I can go about talking about my strategy. My strategy here is going to be 2 journeys from the same place, same start, to the same finish. And since I know that they begin in the same place and end at the same place, they will be equal. I can then separate the vectors into the A and C components and compare them. My 2 routes will be as follows. I am going to go X to D, and I'll take that as one route. The other route will be X to O, O to C, and C to D. Those are my 2 journeys. Now the X to D, we are given, which is 3C minus 1/2 of A. My second route going X to D, X to O, plus then O to C, plus then 1 over K, C, which is, I'll just pop this in actually as C to D. All we do now is fill in these blanks. X to O. What will that be? X to O will be X going up to A, and then A down to O. Well, X to A, we'll just pop that in here. X to A, then plus A to O. Well, X to A, can you see, is half of C to A. X to O will be 1/2 of C to A, plus then I'm going to have the minus A, which is the A to O, so minus A. Just pop this in now as minus A. X to O, 1/2 of C to A. Well, C to A, okay, is going to be minus C plus A. So A minus C. I'm just saying that is going to be there to there. So minus C plus A. And finally, that will give me, I'll just border this off now at this point, starting up here again. X going to O will be 1/2 of A minus, do this, the A in there rather, minus 1/2 of C minus A. Tidying this up, X to O will give me minus 1/2 of A minus 1/2 of C. And now we start putting all the pieces together. X to D will equal the X to O, which I now know is minus 1/2 A minus 1/2 C, plus the O to C, which is going to be C, then plus the C to D, which we know is 1/K C. And let's just gather together all the bits and pieces now and separate these into the components A and C. X to D rather, not X to C. X to D will equal minus 1/2 A. Okay? And then I'm going to go plus, I got a C, which is just 1 C, minus 1/2 of my C, plus then 1/K. And that's my C component. Tidying that up, X to D will equal minus 1/2 A, plus then I've got 1/2 plus 1/K C. And now we can compare these, okay? I've got my C component here. Therefore, I know that 1/2 minus 1/K equals 3. Okay, sorry, plus 1/K rather. That means that 1/K will equal, and I'm subtracting 1/2 from each side, that's going to be 5/2. Therefore, finally, K will equal 2/5. So, we're told that the OCCD is in the ratio of K to 1. So this is going to be, I'll just write here, O to C, C to D is in the ratio of K, which is going to be 2/5. Therefore, this will be, of course, 3/5, which means finally we've got the answer of 2 to 3. And the value of K was 2/5. So, a long question, but there we have it.